got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper. Would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem? If I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going,
I was changing out one
don't
tire
know
and
what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I can do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I believe it too. But you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
Balut challenge right now. There you go.
You gotta take this for Lorraine.
Oh yeah.
Robert
Hey,
is.
somebody take this for Lorraine, because she supposed to do the balut challenge with us.
Boy, you try. For real. Yeah.
Because I whatever.
There you go. There you go.
Don't spill the stuff.
You're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one
Factor, man.
now, baby, you believe it too.
All right,
But
boy.
you're the only one for me,
That's my favorite part.
I'm
That's
the
my
only
favorite
one
part.
for you.
That yellow. Anna, you don't count, man. What the hell?
It's so stink.
Look at Anna, like fucking eat over here. Yeah.
Okay, where's the sauce? Where's the sauce?
Oh my gosh, it's dripping.
Yeah.
If I got every word
Suck it.
Oh, you're gonna eat the whole thing. Nasakit. Holy moly.
Sakit.
Yeah.
Is it hairy?
Yeah. That didn't look real. That didn't look real.
Oh my god, it's a fucking head.
Oh no, that's the oh, you get hair. Get damn hair on that thing. What the hell, get hair on that one? Well, you're supposed to eat the whole thing like Brian. But Brian's feeling the beak right now.
Oh my gosh, that's horrible.
It was hard.
That's what she said. Oh, that's the best part. It's my favorite part. The yellow. The yellow. The yellow. Go, Brian. Eat that shit. interview. But how was the bullet challenge?
I did not enjoy it at all.
She cried.
I hate eggs to begin with.
Oh, yeah?
And I saw the head.
Wait, egg
You saw the
And
head.
I don't like eating head at my age.
Hey, what's up? What's up, Jax? Let's go. All right, guys. Let's go to the truck. Show you guys what I loaded up. Just for now. All right, guys. So what we got here are 2 coolers, guys. Got my GoPro Max right here, guys. Umbrella, of course. Kiddos footwear, and in those things we have our sleeping stuff like blankets, pillows, and all that. Under there, jugs of water to wash off our feet just in case we go hiking. And then underneath there, 3 chairs and what you call it, and a big umbrella, guys, one of those picnic umbrellas. All right, so inside the trucky, I'll show you guys what I'm working with in here, guys. So yeah, oh yeah, don't forget the electric skateboard is on deck, guys. And there's Mr. Evan Williams, don't forget that. Hiking backpack, my bug out backpack, more like. There's a whole bunch of things in there that one would need in case of an emergency bug out situation, guys. But yeah, we got the drone on deck also, got the camera stabilization, and we got the camera itself. Yeah, guys, backpack, bad hair day, we're all good, guys. Okay, let's go. Alright, guys, so we stopped by Mama Lucy's to pick up some food because we didn't even eat lunch, Jess. Look at that, it's like late already, so. Show the crew what we're working with, Jess. What we're working with here, guys. Oh, Mr. Romeo is fast asleep, guys. Look at that.
May big ay, may kamainit. It's really hot.
Ooh, look at that, guys.
Pinagyan the freaking piece and then I got my pancit.
Some fun set action, guys.
Yeah.
That looks good. Okay, let's go. Ooh, looks good. Yay, hi, Liza.
Hi. There's a made of fire.
Yeah. Oh, those are huge. Well, if Brian like rough them.
Getting the nice sun peeping through the.
Yeah.